Since I started my YouTube channel back in March, this has been the room that I've done most of my projects in, and also the editing on the iMac there. And today I'm going to start to build a new YouTube studio down in the basement, because that's the only room we have left. So today is part 1 of starting that YouTube studio build. So I'm super excited about this. It's gonna be really fun. So one of the reasons why I need to switch rooms is this room is used by the entire family. So if I'm in here filming, they are also here, and it gets quite noisy. Oh, snygg! Cool! Ja. Oh, så fina. Like this. The other reason is our living room is right outside of this room. That's 2 of the reasons why I need a new room for my YouTube stuff. So join me when we go downstairs to check out what it looks like now, because it's, to be frank, it's a mess right now, but it's going to be a lot better, I hope. So let's go check it out. So this is the room that's going to be my YouTube office. Before I start with this room, I'm going to do a SketchUp drawing of the room so I can plan ahead for how it's going to look. So this is the room. I measured all the walls and the windows and the door, and I drew the room as it is. Here I have a box that runs through the room with pipes, so I can't do anything about that. I'll just keep it, and maybe I can use it for lighting later. I wrote down the stuff I need on a paper, and I need a desk to do all the video editing. I need some place to sit so I can record myself. I need some kind of work table and some shelves, and also I have a TV downstairs, so I'll just pop it in there. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the furniture as I drew them here. I might put the table further towards the center here, and I'll be able to sit around the table on all the sides. And I'm not sure if I want to sit and edit right next to the door. So this is the plan for now, but I might change it later. Alright, so the room is painted and I can continue with the furniture next week. But for now, this looks kind of good. I might fill in some spots here and there with the paint. But other than that, I'm pleased with the color. But not with the sound. Can you hear this? Oh, oh, oh. Papa, papa. The echo's terrible, so I need sound panels. And I need all the furniture. And I think I might make some of the furniture myself, so I'll let them come in the future. So I'll continue adding furniture next week and we'll see how it turns out. So I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.